So the bylaws in itself has a lot of like weird stuff written in it, which kind of prevents the entire student body from, I think, getting together and organizing or like all of that. So and the whole thing is pretty faulty. I can't just name one.
एडिशनल 18+ दुकान इधर खुलना चाहिए.
रूल्स के बारे में पूछा है.
इथेनॉल लाइक एक केमिकल दुकान खुलना चाहिए जहाँ OH ग्रुप का बहुत सारे सामान मिलता है.
क्लासेस बंद करके सिर्फ खेलना चाहिए.
स्पोर्ट्स में
क्लासेस बंद, ओनली स्पोर्ट्स.
रूल्स मैं तो ये बोलूँगा कि जो बात पे कुछ भी नया चीज़ आता है और वो बोलते हैं कि नहीं ये मत करो वो मत करो, तो वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से ज़्यादा ये नहीं आना चाहिए. फोर्सफुली कुछ भी कभी भी रूल्स लेके आते वो नहीं आने चाहिए.
करिकुलम चेंज होना चाहिए. 50 साल पुराना करिकुलम चला रहे हैं.
रूल्स बोल रहा है यार.
ठीक है.
शशांक भाई.
हाँ वही रात में निकलने का रूल
जरूरत है ना.
सबको जरूरत है यहाँ.
खासकर तुम्हें
भाई सब तुमको भी जरूरत है. अगर नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं तो तुम्हारा समस्या तो है.
मूवी कैरेक्टर
For him, Devdas.
no. Maybe wake up said Ranveer Kapoor. I would rather say.
For me, who has suffered the most? I think I would be Spider-Man more probably. I was broke, I was suffering, and I was through depression. I am everything I would say Spider-Man.
I'll be Ranbir Kapoor of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. It was like very adventurous, and I think I am also I was also very adventurous here, and like most of my extracurricular skills have come here only.
2019. Yeah.
2019.
We are more connected with that guys.
It's because when we came here, they were very welcoming. Like, not like you guys are bad or anything, but like, it was very nice to have someone who guided us, and they were very friendly, almost like a family. It was sad when we had, they had to let them go into college.
Okay.
So 2018 batch. Yeah.
And for you?
Same. 2019, 2018.
Other than my batch, my first preference is 22, and then 23, of course. Like 24 से मेरा इंटरेक्शन बहुत कम है, तो कुछ बच्चे मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, बट 22 और 23 के साथ मैंने मोस्ट टाइम स्पेंड किया है, तो आई लाइक देम अ लॉट. और 23 में मेरे कई सारे मतलब ऐसे जूनियर्स जिनके साथ मैं काफ़ी टाइम और स्पेंड करना चाहूँगा अगर मेरे पास होता तो. I have visited many places about which I didn't tell my parents. Like मैंने कई बार नाइट आउट्स किए, कई बार रात को घूम रहा हूँ सड़कों पे, तो नहीं बताया. बाकी मैंने डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकता इतना यहाँ पे. ये इंस्टाग्राम पे जाएगा ना? अच्छा ठीक है. ड्रिंक भी किया है मैंने 1-2 बार, तो हाँ ठीक है. इंस्टाग्राम पापा नहीं चलाते, ठीक है चल जाएगा.
They don't know, like I'm kind of rowdy in college. So that's what they don't know.
To not give a fuck.
I don't know. Maybe take Isa Verampur a bit casually, not much seriously.
Yeah, I mean, I would say one thing I would say is spend time with your friends and everything. I mean, studies are there. Don't skip events just because you have an exam. No one gives a shit. At a certain point of time, yeah, you need to maintain something, but yeah, chill a bit.
It was fun, actually.
Transit was a better experience in terms of availability of everything. If you wanted to go home, you just need to catch one auto. Here you have to catch a bus, then an auto, then you have to schedule everything. But there are perks in living here. The hostels here are much better.
Transit campus was good, very good. It was like, so we had these like mini apartments basically where we used to live, and we had our own roof. Every like 2 people had their own roof. और हम लोग सिटी के पास थे, तो we could purchase things, we could roam around. Like there were activities to do, which I think was lacking here in permanent campus, but it is increasing day by day. I think here as well.
Wilder. Oh, can't say that. No, I mean, see, everybody knows from 2 batch senior to you onwards, everybody knows. But there are multiple things. For example, when I just joined,
I used to be much more like you people in the sense that I used to be much more rebellious. So if something has happened at any point of time, I used to pick on fights with people who are bigger than me. And now I realize there is no point. I mean, I should not have done all of this. But I learned a lot from them, and there are some good reputations that I got during that time. So I don't exactly regret. I regret the outcome, not the moment. The outcome I regret. Moment I enjoy.
ऐसा कोई एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट तो नहीं है, बट हाँ फेयरवेल में मेरे को एक बहुत गंदा टास्क मिला था. तो वेयर आई हैड टू वैक्स माई हैंड हेयर बेसिकली. अभी भी वहाँ पे बाल नहीं है अगर मैं दिखाऊँ तो सच में. तो वो बड़ा एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट था, बट हाँ इट वॉज फॉर द फन ऑफ इट. सो यार
I can't say that on camera, but no, I mean, maybe it's more like a क्या बोलूं? It's more like a journey. So it's like हम जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते. हम जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते. मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते. सो मंजिल बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन रास्ते और भी अच्छे थे. सो थैंक यू.
लगे हैं ये रास्ते, मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं.